Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I know it's been a while, but in this video, I was gonna go over my new sort of desk setup, and we also have a product to take a look at brought to you by xCool. These guys are super cool to send this product out to me. Thought I'd take a look at it. xCool, they're mostly like an electronics company. They also specialize in vacuums as well, cables, and also some magnetic accessories for smartphones. So super cool. Sent me out a product, not sponsored at all, just sent this out to me for free. This is a 4-in-1 charging cable with different sort of connections on each side of the cable, 100 watts as well. So I'm gonna show you my new setup, and then I'm gonna talk briefly about the product that they sent me and utilize the new setup as well. So I think this is a good two birds, one stone sort of video. So if you guys enjoy this, leave a like, subscribe, let's get into it. All right, people, so now you're seeing me film from my Lumix G7 with my shotgun microphone. So let me know how this audio sounds anyway, but I'm currently behind my new wood desk and stuff like that. Huge desk, much wider than my older one, so it's easier to display products whenever I'm unboxing them, essentially, which is kind of cool. So here we have the cable that xCool sent out to me. They're 4-in-1 100 watt USB-C cable. So right off the bat, this is like a nylon material and it's super robust, and the fact that it's braided means that this thing's not going to get tangled up like your old other cables from other companies out there, which can be super annoying. As you can see, this curls up nice into a little circle and makes it easy to store. So it's also 100 watts, so it's much faster than most other cables in terms of charging speed. As you can see right there, I don't know if my camera's gonna focus on that. 100 watts total speed. So the reason this thing is so cool, other than that it's braided and it looks cool, and green and black are also my favorite colors, is because it's versatile. So on one end, we have a lightning port. So for all you iPhone users who don't have a iPhone 15 or newer, well, that's the newest one anyway. And then we also have a USB-C cable, which is awesome for all you Android users and also for laptops and other devices, since USB-C is kind of like the charging standard these days. And on the other end, we have even more versatility. We have a USB-A port. Love the orange accent, by the way, if you guys can see that. It looks super cool. And then if you lift this off, you kind of just pull and turn it to the side, and that reveals another USB-C port. So depending on what you're plugging this into, I know there's a lot of chargers out there that require a USB-C port to actually plug in the wall brick. And then if you're using like an Android or an iPhone 15 or a laptop that uses USB-C to charge, you can charge that on the other end. So the versatility is there. I'm actually curious to see what this is like charging my MacBook Air, because it does take a fairly long time to charge. I don't know if that's the cable or just the brick, but I'm curious, and I kind of want to test that out to see if this cable can make a difference, because on one end for my MacBook Air, I use the USB-C, and then on the other end, I'll actually use the USB-C as well, because my charging brick is USB-C. So let's give this a quick test, and we'll see how this thing does. Let's hop into it. And just to give you guys like a close-up, since probably my last video couldn't do this justice, this is what it looks like. USB-C and Lightning on one side, and then USB-A on the other, as well as USB-C. So just for some context, that's what it looks like. So as you can see, I'm using the standard MacBook Air charger, and on here we are currently charging using the regular cable that comes with the charger. This one, as I mentioned, is pretty slow, and it's roughly saying, just focus on that, 2 hours and 10 minutes until fully charged. So, and we're already at 52%. This thing is really slow at charging my laptop. Also, one nice thing I just realized, because I tried to plug this into my phone, and I plugged it in here. As you can see, plugs into my laptop pretty easily. Is that the connector, at least at the very end, is really thin. So you can plug this in with almost like literally any case for your smartphone. It works with my case, works just fine. You guys, only after a few minutes, we're already up to 57%, and it's saying 2 hours and 4 minutes. I can already notice a pretty big difference in how this cable is charging my laptop compared to the standard Apple one. So that's pretty cool that charging speeds have increased a little bit just from swapping out cables. Okay, so just doing like a brief data transfer test. I currently have my iPhone plugged into my Mac using the xCool 4-in-1 100 watt cable. So on my iPhone here, I plugged it in. I'm accessing some of my downloads from Chrome, and I have a like small MP4 file right here, and I'm just going to drag this from my phone storage onto my desktop to actually transfer, and we'll see how long this takes. 3, 2, 1. And that took less than a second to transfer. So that's pretty awesome that it can transfer almost instantaneously through this cable. So thumbs up right there. Guys, that's going to do it for this video. Hope you all enjoyed that brief review of the xCool 4-in-1 charger. So like I said, fast data transfer speeds, fast charging speeds up to 100 watts, versatile 4-in-1 design with the Lightning, with the USB-C, with the USB-A, and then USB-C on the other end. It was really hard to get that thing tangled, and yeah, it feels really robust with the nylon material with it as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, if you guys enjoyed this current filming setup that I got going on here, very versatile as well, which kind of relates to the cable. I can get a lot of footage from multiple different angles with different equipment and stuff like that. So if you guys enjoyed this, leave a like on this video and subscribe for future content coming soon. So love you guys all to death. I will see you guys in the next video for Tech with Scott. Bye everyone. Hey guys, thank you so much for watching another video on my channel. If you're interested, click over here to subscribe to the channel, and click over here for another amazing tech video review / tutorial. And yeah, thanks so much for checking out the channel. Appreciate all you guys. See you in the next video.